Welcome everyone to part 2, where I will show you how to install SynFig Studios. It is a very easy process to go through. You only have to click on a few buttons that say next, and then you will have access to SynFig on your computer. So if you double clicked the install file that you downloaded from the website, this is the first window that will come up. You have to agree to their conditions, to the terms and conditions. If you wish to read through this, by all means, but it is quite long. You will press then I continue or I agree, and then you will press next. You will install it. It will by default install on your C drive, but if you wish to install it on one of your other drives, then just change the letter at the beginning to whatever the drive letter is. You can of course also press browse and select the folder where you would like to install it. But the C drive in the program files, that is usually the best place to install it to keep your programs more organized. So we're going to press install. Once the installation is complete, you can press close, and now you have access to the program. So if I open it from my start menu, you will see that the program opens up like so. And in our next parts of this lesson, I will of course show you how to use it.